Hello and welcome to Brably. This is a channel where we talk about all matters concerning bras. And for today, we will be talking about the best bras after weight loss. Now, as women, we are usually compelled to try out several different bra designs until we find one that fits perfectly well and feels comfortable. In this video, we look at some of the best bras for sagging breast after weight loss. We researched online for attractive bras that are not only classic but supportive too. Most of these bras aren't the typical non-padded and padded bras. Instead, they support and lift the breast, which is something you may want if you have saggy breast. The bras will compel support and flaunt your breast after losing weight. After weight loss, your breasts may lose both their sizes and shape. However, this isn't necessarily the case for all women. What you experience may not necessarily be similar to what another woman would. Watch this video for a list of the best bras that would lift saggy breasts after losing weight. At number 1, we have Harness Comfort Revolution Bra. After losing weight, you can always wear a bra that offers maximum support. For example, you can wear a bra that offers full coverage and has broad straps. One of such bra is the Harness Comfort Revolution Bra. This bra supports the breast nicely and is super comfortable. Its fabric consists of a combination of spandex and polyester. The bra has a deep neckline with no underwire, offers full coverage for the breast and looks like a sports bra on the front. The bra also has a hook and eye closure at the back. It is breathable and can be adjusted for more customized fit. This bra will be great for home use. It offers all the support you need, especially if you spend most of the time working in the house. Besides, the breathable and form-fitting fabric doesn't wrinkle or wear out quickly. The Harness Comfort Revolution Bra helps to prevent excessive sagging. If your breasts are large, you can wear the bra to bed for extra support. You can go on with your daily routine in this bra without having to worry about your breast spilling or overflowing. We sure don't know what is both superior and comfortable if this bra isn't. At number 2, we have the Chantel Chic Sexy Plunge Underwear Bra. The Chantel Chic Sexy Plunge is a unique bra that is hard to come by. The bra has a deep plunge, is super comfortable, and is made of smooth materials. The bra doesn't irritate the skin and is both functional and stylish. Its band is smooth and offers ultimate support, while the cups shape the breast nicely. The Chantel Chic Sexy is a great plunge bra for women with large breasts. The bra is seamed at the center where the cups join, and the deep plunge makes it easy to wear under low neckline outfits. This bra is not padded, which is not a concern for women with saggy breasts. Apart from this, it is more breathable compared to other bras and doesn't make your breasts look bigger than their actual size. Number 3, we have the Victoria's Secret Dream Angels Wicked Unline Uplift Bra. For women who want both style and functionality, the Victoria's Secret Dream Angels will be your best bet. The bra fits well and its stitching is delicate yet durable. This bra lifts and supports the sisters well. Comes in different flattering colors. The bra is unlined and its cups are adjustable. There is a hook and eye closure at the back for support, while the underwear provides a comfortable lift. The support and lift make the bra straps feel lighter and well balanced. The versatility and strength of this bra matches all the other bras in this video. Moreover, the underwear cups make saggy breasts appear rounder. It therefore means that Victoria's Secret Dreams Angel Bra not only supports and lifts, but also contours. Moving along, we have the Elomi Meets Underwear Banded Bra. While you may wish to go braless after losing weight, sometimes this is not an option. In such a case, you can go for Elomi Meets Underwear Banded Bra. The bra is supportive and comfortable for an underwear bra. The bra is made from a combination of polyester, elastane, and nylon. The materials are long-lasting and also wear out less even after several washings. The Elomi Mitzi underwire banded offers mid coverage, therefore it is perfect for women with saggy breasts who don't like full coverage bras. The bra cups have 3 beautiful sections that help in shaping the breast. Therefore, your bust will be at the center, lifted and packier. If your weight tends to fluctuate rapidly, this bra will be right for you, even with an increase or decrease in breast size. The bra will still feel comfortable and breathable. Moving along, next on our list we have Maidenform Love, the Lift Push-Up Bra. The Maidenform Love is a unique push-up bra whose band and straps are sleek with some detailing. The crisscross bra straps are not only beautiful but also provide additional breast support. Moreover, they help to balance large breasts. The bra's intricate cap and lace design go up to the hook and eye closure, while the caps are super supportive. The cap also fits different breast shapes. The bra's V-neck shape design offers a plunging yet favorable look. With this bra, there's no overflowing, gapping, and bulging. If you are heavy both at the top and bottom and want this bra, you can go up a cup size and down a band size. The Maidenform Love bra is firm and super supportive for dropping and saggy breasts. At number 6, we have the Bali Live It Up Seamless Underwire Bra. When it comes to bra bands, Bali is one of the few that you can trust. The Bali Live It Up Seamless Underwire Bra is your best bet if your breasts have started sagging after losing weight. The bra is made of blend of cotton and polyester. It is breathable and very soft. The bra is breathable from the straps all the way to the band and cups. When wearing this bra, you will not experience any redness thanks to its soft lining. The padded straps are top quality and help to distribute the breast weight evenly. The breast will stay in the cups without overflowing. The bra's underwire offers firm and comfortable support, making your breast look flattering. You'll barely feel the bra underneath when wearing. The bra's fabric is supportive and thick, preventing the nipples from showing through your clothes. The material doesn't wrinkle and is durable, making it great for saggy breasts. Also, the bra doesn't wear out quickly after several washes. And finally on our list, we have Wacoal Full Figure Basic Beauty Underwear Bra. The Wacoal Basic Beauty Underwear Bra is perfect for women with big breasts. This bra is super supportive and has an underwear. The bra offers seamless support for full figure women with saggy breasts up to large cup sizes. Moreover, it features 2-ply cups made from a body suede, breathable stretch fabric. The cups of the Wacoal bra enhance the shape of the breast as it contours to reduce any spillage and bulge. This is an excellent bra for women who have recently lost weight. The straps of the Wacoal full figure bra are set close together at the back. The bra also has a smooth band from where more support is drawn from. Now, if you are looking for a bra to wear after losing weight, get one with structure cups that will help in contouring the shape of the breast naturally. The cups should also help with lift and support. The best bra for saggy breasts after weight loss offer exceptional support and lift while keeping you comfortable. Any of the bras we've mentioned in this video will be perfect for saggy breasts. Now, that's it for today. Remember to share, like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Ciao!